Hello all, welcome to Bonadeafashions. In this video, firstly we are seeing a super hit design of fancy linen jute silk sarees. Beautiful HD prints and foil mirror work is there throughout the saree, along with contrast lace borders and running printed blouse, and which is priced at 599 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Moving to the next collection is a borderless soft Litchi silk sarees. That's a contrast rich pallu. And that's a body. Beautiful zari woven buttas are running throughout the body. And that's the contrast plain blouse with borders. And these beautiful and trendy collections are priced at 549 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Other states even the shipping charges be very less, minimum from 20, maximum up to 40 depending on the distance. For placing orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your orders through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links be there in the description. Please note, our payment mode is through online only. You can either directly transfer to the account or you can do any kind of UPI transactions. Also, avoid making direct calls. Do share your queries to the given WhatsApp number only. Moving to the next saree is a vibrant blue color fancy soft Litchi silk sarees. That's a simple silver zari woven line pallu. That's a body. Beautiful small silver zari woven peacock motifs are there running throughout the body. And that's the contrast green color brocade blouse. And last collection is again soft Litchi silk sarees. That's a rich pallu. And that's the body. Silver zari woven rich designs are there running throughout the body, and that's the contrast blouse with borders. The next one also in the same pattern with golden zari weavings. The last three sarees are priced at 620 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Also, if you guys wanted a quicker update, you can join our WhatsApp groups. We are having separate groups for cotton sarees and silk sarees. You can join the like of your choice if you want. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. Thank you for watching.